what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak fully load the Fire Stick, if you want to call it jailbreak and fully loading, with the best applications for movies, TV shows, pay-per-views, all that content you're going to get using the new tech store, the new tech setup. Let's get into it. Let me show you how to fully load this Fire Stick in 2023 newest update, okay? So let's go in here and let's go to the gear icon. This is the first thing you got to do. Go to My Fire TV or My Device, click on it, and you should have developer options. If you don't, very simple, click on that About right here, and then it'll show you My Fire Stick 4K, My Fire TV, whatever device it is. You want to click on it 8 times on the actual name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since I already have developer options on, it says you're already a developer. Keep clicking on it until it says now you are a developer, okay? Now, when you hit back, you'll see that you have developer options. You need to do this. It's very important. You need to have developer options turned on. It's a big change that they've done on the newer Fire Sticks, okay? Now, when you're done that, just hit the home button and I'll show you now how to get this fully loaded, okay? Click the find icon, click down, and click into the search box, and you want to search for an application called Downloader. You can use the Alexa remote, or you can just type in Downloader. I prefer to use the Alexa search. Downloader. I'm going to search for Downloader. It's going to find it. You're going to click on the Downloader icon. When it finds it, you're going to click the download to get it and install it. Very simple. It's going to download it. It's going to open it up. And then we're going to install the unlinked store where you're going to get all the updated applications. And you can also check out more tutorials on the website firestick.ac if you need more tutorials. Okay. Once downloader is finished, press the open button, press the allow button, and press the OK button. Now, some people have said they're having some issues in Downloader going to the unlinked application, to getting the unlinked application. So what I do recommend straight off the bat, you're going to hit the home button, get out of Downloader, you're going to go to find, and you're going to go to search and hit inside of search, and we're going to search for the IPVanish VPN. So that's what that's going to do. If any service provider is blocking content, blocking stuff, we can get around it by using IPVanish. Search for IPVanish. That's going to allow us to get more content and more stuff. Once you find IPVanish, click on it and click the download button. It's going to queue it, download it, and we're going to install it. So this will allow us to get the unlinked application, allow us to go into my store in case you're not able to access it, which I've been getting reports that might be happening, okay? Once IPVanish is downloaded, it's a VPN. It's going to keep you safe, protected, anonymous, and it's going to allow for more content in all these applications in my unlinked store, okay? Very important step, the IPVanish VPN. Once it downloads, we're going to open it up. I'm going to show you how to log in and how to get going on your device, okay? So here we are downloading the IPVanish VPN. 95,000 reviews, okay? Once that's done, press the open button on IPVanish. It's going to come up with this username and password. You can get your own username and password by going to this URL or simply scanning this barcode. It's going to take you to the website, and you're going to get the best discount since I teamed up with IPVanish to give you the best discount, okay, through my affiliate link. Click on that, select your account, costs a few dollars a month. You're going to be fully protected, more content. You're going to be able to get a lot of applications. So I'm going to log into my IPVanish. I'm going to show you how I'm going to get protected, how easy it is to use, and then we're going to install Unlinked. We're going to put in the code, and we're going to get the best applications. We're going to fully jailbreak this Fire Stick, okay? Okay, I'm logged into my account. You can get your account, as I said, in the pinned comment description. Look for that bit.ly link also on the screen here. Also, the barcode is here for you to scan to get yourself an account with the discount. Follow that bit.ly link. Once I'm logged in, you're going to log in with your own account. When you sign up for an account, you'll get an email confirmation from IPVanish. Click on that email to confirm your account, activate it, log in, and then as soon as you logged in, you'll get this pop-up, okay? Pause the video if you need to do so. Make sure you get IPVanish. Here's the link. Here's the barcode. Look in the pinned comment description as well. Press the OK button once you're logged in. Now, the first thing to get more links and content, click on the little location icon and scroll all the way to the United States. It's going to give you the most content and the best content. United States, all the way, scroll there and say connect to United States. What that's going to do is going to connect your VPN to United States, to the fastest server. Here we are connected. It's going to give us a new IP address. We're ready to go. Okay. One thing you want to do as well before I exit here, hit that little gear icon here and then say connect on Android startup, automatically connect for us, okay? Let's press the home button once we have IPVanish running. Let's go back into our downloader as we downloaded IPVanish in downloader. Once we're back in downloader, what you want to put in, you want to put in unlinked.link. But some people have been saying that if you don't put HTTP, it's not working for them. So I'm going to do it with the HTTP since I've been getting those reports as well. So we'll do HTTP, no problem. And then we'll do lowercase, and then we'll type in unlinked. Okay, just exactly like you see it, unlinked dot L-I-N-K. Okay, unlinked.link. Once you type that in, http://unlinked.link, press the go button, and it's going to say connecting, and it should go to the unlinked website. You'll see that I have a cursor. I can move around, okay? And we're going to move around the cursor on the website. So the website's going to load here any minute. And we're going to scroll down until we see download APK Android, okay? Click on download APK Android. Little green guy right here on our Fire Stick or Fire TV. It's going to connect, and it's going to get the unlinked application. Here we are. Once the unlinked application installs, we're going to get this pop-up. Make sure you hit settings. Now, remember, we can go into developer option, install unknown apps, downloader on, and I have this, I'm doing this with the VPN on. So you see it's working flawlessly. One back and one back, okay? It's going to go back to our downloader. Press install again since we turned on developer options for downloader. Now press the install button, and unlinked application has been successfully installed, okay? Press the open button once we successfully install it, and I'm going to give you a code, okay? Press the new library here, and my applications are always up to date and the newest. Click into the code section and put in Firestick. If it doesn't work, exit unlinked, restart it, and try again, okay? I've been getting reports some people cannot get in. So Firestick, a code just like that, and then press the next button. It's going to throw you into my unlinked application. All the apps are updated. Make sure you read this welcome message. It shows you what are the best apps, which ones you should get for live TV, for movies, TV shows, pay-per-views, all that stuff. Read the welcome message. It tells you the whole picture, okay? And very important, you read the welcome message. It's going to show you exactly how to fully load everything, okay? Press the enter. Okay, once you're in my store, you can scroll up and down through my store to get any applications I list in the welcome message or anything else. But today, for our example, we're just going to install MX Player today. I'm going to show you how to do it, and that's how you install any other applications. So you're just going to scroll up and down in my store. There's sections for free movies and TV shows and a section for live TV. You can scroll up and down and install those apps, okay? Welcome message will give you all the details. But to install any app, it's the same process. Today, we're doing MX Player. Click on MX Player. You're going to click on download just for demonstration purposes. It works all the same. Once it's going to download those applications and you'll be ready to install them. Very simple to use. All my apps are updated. They're all up to date. When this pops up, say install app, press OK on the permission. You only have to do this once. Install unknown apps. Make sure you turn on unlinked. Toggle and then back, one back. And now it's stage app, press install. And we've successfully installed our application in the unlinked application. We installed MX Player Pro, press done, and then you can install any other application, okay? More applications up and down in my store. Scroll through, feel free to get any applications. Read the welcome message. It tells you which ones to get and how to set them up and all that stuff. So that's available in the welcome message that when we enter the store, you can read that. You can hit the home button and then that application will be installed. You can go back to unlinked at any time. Make sure you fully protect. As you can see, I'm running IPVanish. I've been running IPVanish, loading these applications. Works great. That's how you fully load your Fire Stick. Unlinked is here. Access it at any time and put any applications that you wish. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Enjoy all those applications. Make sure you read the welcome message. Always read the pinned comment description. The VPN discount is also available here. I'll put the link up on the screen again, and I'll put the barcode. You can scan, get protected with IPVanish. You're going to get more links, more content in all those applications that you can find in Unlinked Store. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.